Welcome to Fix Your Apps. In this video, we will show you how to permanently delete Facebook messages from both sides, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1, grab your Android phone and open the Facebook Messenger app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving forward. Step 2, in the Chats menu, select the conversation with the contact from whom you want to delete messages from both sides. Step 3, once you're inside the chat, find the message you want to delete from both sides. Press and hold that message. Step 4, after holding the message, look for the More option at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on it. Step 5, in the next menu that appears, tap on the Remove option. Step 6, now to ensure the message is deleted from both sides, confirm by tapping the Unsend for Everyone option. This will remove the message from both your side and the recipient's side permanently. And that's it. You've successfully permanently deleted Facebook messages from both sides. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.